Hi, sir. How are you?
I'm good. Hi, Aryan. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
So, are you prepared?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. What you have designed?
Sir, I have designed a snake game using JS, HTML, and CSS.
Okay, great. So, okay, I'm ready to see your project.
Yeah, Aryan, you can show your project. What have you made?
So, should I share my screen?
Yeah, sure.
I have made this project named Snake Game. This is my HTML code. First, I have linked my HTML to CSS by using this link program. Then in body, I have made a class of division that is container. My header is class title. The heading 2 is JavaScript snake game. I will show you my game after some time. First, I will make you understand my code. This is my division. First section is overlay class. The class is overlay. Now I will show you my CSS. These are the tags I have used in CSS. I have used margin, padding, border, font size, font. I have set this by using these tags. These are some tags that I have used. Many functions are there so that I can design my snake game. CSS is used to used for designing the games and websites. Now I will show you JS. This is my JS. These three are the variables. I have made some keys so that my snake goes up, down, left, right. By using some of the keys, my snake can go up, down, and right, left. I have to use the arrow keys to make them move, make the snake move. Now I will show you my game. This is my game. Here I have to click the play button. When I will click the play button, I have to collect this ruby. See how much I will collect the ruby. I will get a point. I will get 5 point. When the boundary is touched by the snake, the game will be over. I can start the game again. We can't move our snake when we are going down, then directly up. We have to move first right or left, then we have to go up. Sir, do you want to play my game?
So he's asking to
Sure.
play his game. Yeah.
Sure, I can.
I'm giving you
Yeah,
the
okay. Give
controls.
me the controls, yeah.
When we will collect this one, our snake will become more bigger in size.
Okay, let me try. Let me try. Oh, I am very bad in playing games. Okay, let's try again.
When
Finally,
you
1 point.
start, you
Huh?
got 5 points. And your snake is also growing bigger.
Yeah, you have kept the color of your ruby very light. I even can't see it sometimes.
You can change the color, Aryan, later. For
Yes,
this
ma'am, I will change
part of
the
the
color.
snake. Yeah. So I don't want to game over.
I'm enjoying it now. I used to play in my phone earlier when I was in school. So I'm just reliving
Yeah.
those. Yeah, finally, my snake is getting bigger, Aryan, now. This is not getting over. You can add timer also. That will be a more.
Yeah, this will be good if there will be
Otherwise,
timer.
someone
Yeah.
like me will keep on playing.
Thank you for your suggestion, sir.
Okay, I will just let him hit this boundary now.
Nice score.
Okay, that's a really great project, Aryan. So,
Thank you, sir.
I have one more suggestion apart from adding that timer, na, do create some like start working on some website as well. Like you are done with the HTML, CSS, and JS now. So
Yeah,
start
so
working on
I've
a
made the
website.
websites. Yeah. He made some websites also. Actually, last post he made the website, so I suggest him to create some game part this time.
Great, great.
Yeah.
Very good, Aryan, very good. Yeah, so you can stop your screen share. Let's just have a
Okay,
word
sir.
with you. So, tell me, Aryan, how are you like enjoying the classes, or I
Yes,
hope
sir.
you
I
are
am enjoying the
learning new things.
classes.
You are learning
Yes,
very
sir.
great. So just focus on like the suggestions, add that timer thing in your game, and start working on one website as well. Okay. Like it can be your
Yes, sir.
website, like whatever you like. Let's say you like cricket. So create a website about the cricket where a person can come and search anything about the cricket.
Like that, sir.
Okay. Right.
Yes, sir.
Or you can make it more customized, like in cricket. You can just create
Sir,
a
your
website
voice
for
is
a
breaking.
particular format of the.
Yeah, now
Okay,
it's
just a
fine.
second. Am I audible now?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, I was saying, like in a cricket, we have different formats. So you can just choose one format and create a website for that particular format, whether it's one, like, I know you are a cricket lover, है ना? So you can
Yes,
work
sir.
on that. Okay, great. So I will love to see your website as well, Aryan.
Uh, Sir, 1 minute.
Great.
I am opening my website.
Okay, you have already designed. Sure, you can share it with me.
Sir, one website I have already designed.
Mm-hmm.
So Aryan, you can share a link with us for the website. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Like I think you're so like in a hurry and kind of, so it's all right. You can share a link with us.